Hey guys, welcome back. I'm popping on today to do a layout for the scrap room, and I'm using the Simple Stories Feelin Frosty DoubleShot Kit, January 2022, if you can even believe we are scrapping for January 2022. It's a little crazy. All right, so this collection is snowmen and gorgeous like hot pink and turquoise and teal and all the good things. I've got, let me show you my papers really quick. They're all Feeling Frosty. This is Snuggle Weather. And I've got some wood cuts, and I know I want to use some of them, but I know I have to use some of this teal color as well. It's gorgeous, or turquoise. I think this will be my background. I do love it. It is called Frosty Friends. I love this pink. I don't even know, but look at the snowman. It's one of these things where I want to use every piece of the pattern papers in the collection. Then I have this gorgeous one is Winter Days, and look at this plaid. It is cute. And this side has icons that I like. If I didn't have some nice die cut goodies, I might be looking at this just a little more, although I do like that little mug right there with the heart. So I have those. I've got a hot pink piece of cardstock as well as 2 walnut cream. I'm kind of hanging out with this color palette a little bit more. Don't know how I'm feeling about cardstock right now. I've got some foamy bits right here, and they're on white foam. I have BRRR, Winter Fun, a nice little Christmas tree, holly and berries, as well as snowflakes. And then all of these great die cuts. And then, oh, but wait, I also have washi. So I have lots of good stuff. And this is a washi that I received. It's black, and it has this gorgeous little wintry vibe going on. So, oh, let me show you my pictures. We had our first snow in December. And so I took a couple pics of my boys out there, and they're just like, what? They're like, why are we taking pictures? We're playing in the snow. So that's my boys. I thought they'd be really cute to scrap with for some snow pics. And they also happen to be quite pink in the face, so it does work. It's pulling out the pink. So what I have to do, so I'm thinking of matting my whichever piece I come up with. This is what I'm thinking of doing. Except for, yeah, okay. So I can sacrifice some of that. I'm thinking of matting this one on this, and I won't be able to have my snowman. That's gonna have to be okay. So let's do a trim really quick, and then I will gut out. I will go ahead and gut this out, meaning I will cut out the middle so I can also mat with that. Not a big deal. Get my trimmeroo to do that. And then I'm going to just kind of move my pattern papers around and see if they tell me which direction to go. I don't know. And like I said, I think the problem is that I want to use everything. So that makes it tricky. But I do love, I've been, we scrapped so much in December with the red and green kind of color palettes that I am loving the idea of coming in with something with a nice bright tone to it. So I have this, great. Then I need to cut this. I'm thinking 11.5 by 11.5. I want a border, but it doesn't have to be huge. I think, we'll see if I need to trim it just a little bit more. Let's see how it's looking. Let us see. Oh, see, I like that. That's cute. Let me get my gutted piece out. Pull out my side desk thing here to put that there. And I have to move some of my bits over from what I was showing you. I'm thinking of doing a little something like that. And I still have to bring my camera out more. There we go. Sorry, I have a little glare right here. So it's like hard to get that sweet spot. All right, that's better. So that's what I'm thinking for my background. So I have that. I have these silly pictures of my boys that I want to mat like a million times and then create a little scene. Okay, so I'm gonna attach this down. I'm gonna mat my pictures of the boys. I'm gonna use both sides of this. I'm thinking banners coming down this way, and they're going to be sitting on the banners. So let me create some banners, mat my pictures 100 times. Well, not 100. I don't have that much paper. I will attach this down and figure out where these go, and I'll be back in a jiffy. Alrighty, so what I did is I went ahead and matted my very cool pink background like we talked about, and I scuffed up my edges. And I created 3 fishtail banners. And I didn't measure them off or anything. I just cut them, and I wanted them 3 different sizes and 3 different lengths and widths. Yes. So let's go ahead and just pop them on. And I find that I end up enjoying my projects more when I just don't overthink it. So that's my plan, to not overthink. These are great patterns. The scale is fun to play with. Like there's different sizes. Like this is big and chunky, and these are itty bitty. And then we have a plaid, and just really well put together collection. Glad that our fearless leader at the scrap room chose it for us. I think it's super fun. Do I want it like this? What do you guys think? Don't think I want it in a row. I think I need it new. Okay, like that. That's fine. Probably looks exactly like it did a minute ago, and that's okay. Part of the fun of all, it needs to be all set, with all of this is that you just get to play, and you get to move your things around and adjust them and decide how you like them. All right, with my photos, I matted in a piece of this gorgeous bright pink cardstock, and then 2 of the pattern papers. I have the teal right here, and this black with the pattern, it's just the backside of my plaid. And on this one, I popped it up just on a little bit of craft foam for a little bit of a dimensional adhesive vibe. Let me get my really well-loved T-square ruler. I think I want to have Mason go slightly to the top of blue, because blue looks like he's coming down and Mason's looking right at the camera, and I think that looks really, really cute. The way that the pictures just turned out, they're just so cute. And of course I think they're cute. They're my boys. I know. But they were having fun. They were outside doing their thing, like, scampering around. So cute. I'm looking at this and I'm like not really seeing a place where I need to have washi, but I want to have washi. Thinking about anchoring my, my banners with this. For no real reason. I just kind of like the idea of it as if this is what's holding them down. And we know it's not, but. So I'm going to have a little bit of a scuffy on both sides. Perfect. Excuse me. I think when I scuff up the edges on these things, I get all these little tiny paper fibers, and they are everywhere. So I like BRRR, of course, and I like Snow Day. So, or do I want BRRR? Oh, I like BRRR, so much fun. Going right on top of it. Okay, so let's see. I'm digging this vibe. Just slap that on there. And then I like this Snow Much Fun. And if I just get a tiny bit of adhesive under it, I think I can have it stick up and it'll be cute. So the top of it here. There we go. And let's go ahead and see if I put that on the right spot. I don't always put it on the right spot. Okay. It's sticking up slightly funny right here, and I think it's because I have so much dimension on the picture with Mason in it. So let's try that again. So yeah, this is all I am doing. I built out my base. Base is done. Super fun. And now I get to add my little bits and pieces on. And I think it's just a riot to play along with this stuff. So cute. Okay, I have that. And I really should scuff that up a little bit. We'll see. So I have my cute little snowman. See, he's facing that way. So he's going to have to come up here with blue. Should I? Okay, I'll cover Mason. There's Mason's hindquarters. So we have our little snowman looking cute. We have another little banner bit. Maybe I can bring that down here. And I'm going to scuff up my edges. I'm going to tuck that under. I've got, I don't know, how do we feel about the ski poles? I think I'm going to put them in just because I find them hilarious. Like, my pups, just so you know, are not big skiers. It's true. So I'm going to add the rest of these little bits and pieces in. I think I want to go get some black and white twine for my stash for this little piece. And then we can add in, you know, the scale is slightly off with my trees, but I love my little trees. I know I want them together, kind of like that. Maybe I'll have them be part of this cluster. That would be cute. I know I want this guy way up here for this cluster, so maybe he can have just a little bit more pizzazz. Oh, there's a little heart. How cute. So that can be there. Snow Day's gonna wait, and then I'm gonna just have these pieces. So I need to scuff up my bits really quick. I need to get a piece of twine, and I'll come back, we'll add these on, and yeah, we'll finish this up together. So I started popping the pieces down. I have my little foam snowflake here, this bright white one, which is bringing some much needed pop of white, which I love. I've got a foamy tree here, and that's all that's sticking down my little ski poles. I don't know why the ski poles are making me so happy, but they are. And I've got my little blue tree here. I'm gonna just pop this little holly and berries there, making a nice little cluster. And it's also bringing some of this tealy green here, here, here. So I have a nice visual triangle. Awesome. Now I feel like, do I want this one here? There, let's put that last little snowflake there. So I have Snow Day and Winter Fun left. I've got lots of washi. I am wondering if there's any spot that I want to put this little guy, but I'm feeling pretty happy with my layout as is. Now I have this twine here, and I just have to decide, do I want to just make a nice bow? Let's see. Let's see what the bow does. There we go. I don't know. I have to make a decision on the bow situation. I don't think I like it like that. I'm thinking I am just gonna let them flow like that, which plays off this black and white, and that makes me happy. So I have that. Am I happy with everything? I am. So that will complete this fun layout. I've got banners. I've got my great washi pieces. Wonder if I want to get a tiny bit. I really love this washi, so I'm trying to figure out how to smudgy it in a couple more places really quickly. Let's see if I can get it under here a little bit. Yes, I'm messing with this poor little snow much again, but what if I just put it here? Okay, made a nice little anchor, and somehow I'm making it a mess. Okay, a little anchor bit. Keep putting the adhesive on, and I don't really know where it goes off to. Don't know. Okay. I think that will do it. I have a little bit of the black behind it, which I do like. I have that. Cute, cute, cute. I have it in more than one place. That makes me happy. I'm thinking one more little spot. I don't know, because my ski poles here are anchoring this down, and I want us to be able to see the ski poles. Okay, I'm going to call it done. So here we have this fun layout. I've got cute little snowflakes going on, my little snowman, floral bits, cute little cluster right here. Great title with lots of dimension and just a little twine from my stash. So I will have links down below for the ScrapRoom store website, the blog, as well as the Facebook group. If you guys have any questions, pop them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Bye for now.